to the Road to Good Cooking. Today I am doing a special video for a very dear friend of mine and the best supporter on YouTube, Angie. We all know her as Fit Angie, but I call her Baby Sis. She's taken some time off social media to take care of some family matters and some, elderly parents, and her husband just recently had surgery on his leg, and then her baby boy. I mean, she just has a lot on her plate right now. And those of us who were fortunate enough to have her stop by our channel and visit us, we know what a great supporter she's been over the years. And I started this channel in 2011, and I have seen her in my comment section ever since then. Not only in my comment section in the Road to Good Cooking, but in my other channel, Chat and Chew with Miss J. And her comments are always so uplifting, so heartwarming. Angie, you know you have been with me through some of the major issues of my life in the last 3 years. And it has been such a welcome, uplifting relief knowing that you were there. You were always leaving me wonderful comments. And I, for one, appreciate you, Angie, for being with me and being a loyal supporter. And not only are you a loyal supporter, but you are one of my dear friends. And I consider you family now. So I wish you all the best. And I know how it is when you have family issues, and family comes first. I've told you that for years. I've told all you guys that for years. Family is should always come first. So I will be here, and I'm sure the rest of us that you have supported throughout the years will be here whenever you come back online. So until then, you take care, baby sis, and I will see you when I see you. Take care of my handsome little dude. You know I'm going to miss seeing him, so you're going to have to email me a picture every now and then so I can get my fix. Yeah, he's a great little guy, and I know he's going to be just fine knowing that you're there all the time. So take care. Take care of your mom and your dad, your husband, and everyone else that needs you. Alrighty? We'll see you when we see you.